Hey guys, how's it going? It's me, Chris, again, and today we have a 2015 Toyota Highlander maintenance light reset. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting. We're going to be looking at that screen right there, and we are going to use this button right here, and we are going to use just that button. As you can see, maintaining requires soon, and first of all, make sure that this read as a trip A instead of ODO. So go ahead and press that button and find trip A, just like that. Now when you get here, go ahead and turn off your car, and at the same time press and hold this button and turn your car on without starting. Give me a second. Go ahead and turn on your car without starting, and you should see the blinkers running just like that. Keep your fingers pressed, and we are done, guys. Make sure you click that like. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.